Today I'm quick carving a Bigfoot from this knotty cedar log, and I only gave myself 45 minutes to do it. I started this Bigfoot with my 14-inch saw, blocking out the basic shapes first: the face, shoulders, back of the head, and chin. Since I wanted him squeezing himself out of the log, I also roughed in the arm and body early on to establish the pose. Once the main shape was there, I switched over to a smaller saw to refine everything. I pushed the face farther forward, tucked the hair back, cleaned up the hand, and started adding some fur texture to give the carving more movement and character. After that, I roughed in the nose and eye pockets before moving on to detail work with the finger sander. That's where the sculpture really started to come alive. I smoothed the face, shaped the eyebrows, refined the nose and mouth. And worked on the eyes using a combination of the finger sander, Dremel, and eyeball bit. From there, I focus on the hand, using the finger sander to shape the thumb and fingers while refining the overall form. Once the shapes felt right, I carve in the fingernails and to give the hand more definition and character. With the face and hand finished, I cleaned up the outside of the log with the chainsaw. And burned the entire piece to prep it for final sandings. Then I sanded the sculpture, making sure to get deep into all the cracks and crevices. And did a final sand on the outside, face, and hand with the palm sander. To wrap everything up, I airbrushed in a few shadows for extra depth and contrast. If you like what I do here, consider subscribing. And if you would like to learn how to carve, I have an ebook available in the top link of the description. Now for the reveal.